Your phone is a wealth of information. They contain your personal photographs and videos, your sensitive financial data, your location at a particular time of the day or year, your social media posts, likes, links and internet searches, your contacts and who and when you've been in contact with them. Your phone's content can be very useful indeed to delve into your mind and from the police's perspective to confirm your involvement or not, as the case may be, in minor or very serious crimes that you are under investigation for. Not surprisingly, investigating police officers want to get hold of your phones and any and all data on it. And maybe you want to hand over your phone over to the police to prove your innocence of any allegations against you. While the police can always request or demand you hand over your phone's password to them, the police can never physically force you to do so. But there are two situations when refusing to hand over your phone's password to the police from a clear demand could lead to prison. Situation 1. There are circumstances when you may be served with a Section 49 RIPA notice by the police when they are investigating a serious criminal offence. A Section 49 RIPA notice is in effect a demand from the police to disclose your phone's password, which would allow them access to your phone's data. If the police do serve you with a Section 49 notice, the police cannot force you to physically hand over your password. However, if you don't hand over your phone's password, the police may prosecute you for a criminal offence for refusing to cooperate. By failing to provide your phone's password, you could receive a punishment of up to 2 years or 5 years for more serious offences like child indecency. There are defences to Section 49 charges, such as you have no idea what the password is for the phone because you've forgotten it or you don't know it. That might be hard for the police to accept if they have intel that the phone was in use and in your possession when it was switched on and off, indicating that you have knowledge of the phone's password. And you should know protecting your personal photographs and videos is not a defence to Section 49 charges. There are occasions when some choose not to hand over their phone's password despite knowing the criminal punishments that are likely to follow. For example, a person may be under investigation for serious criminal offences, where the punishment exceeds the maximum for not complying with a Section 49 notice. The person therefore may choose not to assist the police in securing evidence which could lead to the prosecution and imprisonment for much more serious offences. Situation 2. Under Schedule 7, the police and immigration officers have wide and far-reaching powers to stop, detain, seize items, including mobile phones, and question you for up to 6 hours to determine whether you're a terrorist or not. The police don't have to have any reasonable ground to suspect you're a terrorist to stop you under Schedule 7. While the police cannot use force on you to hand over your phone's password during a Schedule 7 stop, if you do not hand over your password to the police when asked to do so, this is not just a criminal offence, but a terrorist offence. You could receive a prison sentence of up to 3 months. But more damaging, the stigma of having a conviction for a terrorism offence that goes with it. And remember, again, protecting sensitive and private photographs and videos is not a defence. Remember to speak to a solicitor if you need specialist legal advice. Please watch part 2, Can the Police Force Me to Hand Over My Phone's Password During a Stop and Search or Police Interview? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Community Legal Education to be the first to watch our short legal video explainers on police powers and on other topics. And may the justice be with you.